Hey. Holy my. That was a big gust of wind right there.
It's windy. We're at the market, but it's a windy day. Kind of nervous. We have new stuff though this week, and we're going to be selling some homemade fudge. So let me give you a peek at the booth. I'm Holly.
Drew here.
I'm Jerry.
I didn't grab a lot of footage today because the wind was ridiculous at the market. However, we did really good. We sold almost out of homemade fudge, and we just have a few bouquets left, and we sold out of vegetables, of course. So it was fun. I think we had a few beets left, but that was all.
It was a long day.
It was a long day. It was miserable. It was so cold this morning. It was like 67 and windy, so it felt like it was 50 something. It was 48 this morning, but it climbed up to about 60s, and then we might have made it to 70 by now, but it was really cold and windy. But another market down.
Another market down.
Whoop whoop. Finishing the peppers this morning. Finishing the peppers. So, gotta get that done. It's a busy day on the farm. I've just put in the rest of the peppers, and now I'm heading towards putting in the rest of the squash. We had a lot left over this year, so that I just overplanted. But I'm gonna put them in, and we're gonna have a lot of squash at the market this year. The boys, they're trenching. They have to trench a new main line up into the field so that we can put in a easier accessible system for the farm up there for the flowers, and my daughter's house and my uncle's house. So that's what we're doing today here on the farm. Now I'm gonna put the squash in right here, and I just put in the peppers. There's a mixture of peppers in here. There's cayenne and bells. I put them here. They got a little bit of shade here, but I think they're gonna be okay. We'll see. I did pinch some of them. These were sowed February 12th, so they had a little bit of trying to bud out, trying to start some flowers. So I pinched the ones that were starting the flowers and put them in. The reason you pinch them is to make them put more of the energy towards growing more full than just producing a fruit or two. So once you do that, then they tend to produce more fruit. So don't forget to pinch your peppers. I had to have a little bit of help. I'm old, I get tired easy. Ooh, that's a good one. Kind of changed where I'm putting the squash. Instead of putting it on this side, I'm putting it on this side. So had to have a little bit of help though. Tired. I wear out faster than usual, so he's helping me. Thank you, Jerry. so here's my dilemma. I have a bunch of sunflowers. I planted a lot. Drew and I we were gonna get some chickens this year, and I was gonna grow a bunch of organic, big, huge sunflower seeds for their feed. But we decided against it because we just really don't have time this year. Maybe next year. I would like to do chickens, but it doesn't look like it's in the cards for us this year. So we ended up having a bunch of sunflowers. So I'm gonna give them an opportunity. I'm not gonna put any fabric down, and I'm just gonna plant them directly in the ground. I did plow, give it some little bit of room to grow here. I'm gonna stick them in the ground without the fabric, and I'm not gonna water them. But I am gonna water them to begin with to give them a good start, but they're on their own after that. They were gonna go in the compost pile anyways, so I thought, well, I'll give Mother Nature a chance to get them growing and see what we come up with. It'll be another experiment that I'm sure Drew will be proud of. And these are them. I have all of these, all of those 3, and those. So here's the rows that we have to put them in, and we will hope for the best. So I wanted to show everyone my coleus. I am so happy with it. It is beautiful. Isn't the colors just so gorgeous? Oh, it's so pretty. It takes a very, very, very long time to grow. You just have to be patient with it. Let me show you it at a baby stage. At a baby stage. These will be separated later, but all of these are babies. And they were started on 4/13, and today is May 7th. So they just take a long time, but they are beautiful. And you'll think that there's just nothing there, and then they'll turn into that. Very beautiful. Drew was working on the trencher yesterday, and I got the squash finished. Got a lot of squash put in, so we should be good for the market on that. I also put in some peppers, the rest of the peppers. There, mixture of peppers in here. Got those done. And now I want to go up to the field and see about, Drew wants to show me the water piping that he put in. He trenched up there in the field, and so we're gonna go look at that. He wants to show me it, and I want to see it where he put in the main line so that we can water the field. And I want to show you how great the peppers look that we put in, I guess a week ago, about a week ago. It was a week ago, yep. Ready to show them the peppers that we put in?
Yeah, but it isn't my fault. Go ahead.
Yeah, it's not his fault, it's mine.
Wow, look at them.
These are the peppers.
Practice of rain, dude.
And we got rain last night, so they are happy today. Those are like really big down here.
Wow, some onions got blown over. Look.
Yeah, we'll have to either cut those or get them up. As you can see, I'm still working on getting the sprinkler system in place. I'm hoping to get that done sometime this week, maybe today, but I don't foresee it today. Today I have to put in my succession tomato plants and see what all I can get in. I have watermelon to put in, cantaloupe to put in. There's a bunch of flowers that need to be put in as well. I want to show you our onions. They look great. I'm very, very excited for them this year. We'll show you our onions, and we'll show you the ones that we replaced with the stores. So these are our onions. We did the white. Their bulbs are pretty big bulbs in there, and it goes all the way down. So these are the replacement ones that are not ours, but they were purchased.
They're beautiful.
But they're beautiful. They look good too.
Spoon
They're
is-
red, so they're kind of hard to see, but if you look, they're right there.
They're getting to be about the size of almost a small ball about that big. I know one thing on onions, as soon as you can, start your spoon. But don't do it on your full crop, then they'll all mature at the same time. Right here we got about 600, I think, so I did 90. I did 90 whites and 90 reds. So as those start to mature, I'll do that back side over there, and then we'll do our new crop at the end of the year.
If that's so, you better get to it because you only got like a month and a half left of growing season for those.
Hey, sure.
So let me show you the broccoli that I have. I'm excited because the reason that I'm excited about the broccoli is I haven't grown broccoli before. So this is my first batch of broccoli. So here it is. There she is. She's so bitty in there.
Yeah, I've seen some very small.
Oh yeah, I see one way down in there.
But within a week or two, we'll be picking them.
Oh, there's one.
These don't go very long. They make a head about this big right here.
There's one. I know, babe.
I guess about that big.
What?
Oh, the head will be about that big when we start to pick them. Should be sweet. I don't know stuff. I'm sorry. Everything got watered for free. Everything got watered for free.
Yes,
I'll
it
put
did.
up with digging trenches any day if I can get the whole farm knowing everything's been watered. Now, right now we're thinking, you know, if it was normal hot day, this water, did this get water? Now we got 3 days of just not even worrying about it. We can move on with projects. Right?
We got lots of rain last night, so I'm not worried about the sprinkler system, which we're supposed to get it off and on for the next 2 weeks. So, but I still have to get my sprinklers up. I have 3 weeks to get my sprinkler systems up before vacation and get all my stuff on automatic systems. So I've been lazy about it.
At least food.
This is the trench for the main line that is going to be put in the field. Comes all the way up and then goes to my daughter's house, but then we broke it over and run it all the way down to feed the field. Thank you, Drew.
Hey, you know what?
I came up the other day and pruned this field, so I cut these down a lot, the cosmos. I started on the zinnias.
Hey, we got our first zinnia.
Oh yeah, pinch her.
No.
Yeah.
She's beautiful.
I gotta pinch her.
Mama. It's her first zinnia.
First zinnia.
Oh yeah.
But we're gonna pinch her. Oh, she's already branching off a little bit, so she's okay.
Yeah, look, this one's got a bloom, this one's got a bloom.
Yeah, we gotta pinch those. So you gotta pinch these.
I'm not a pincher, dude.
I'm gonna take off the blooms. You get twice as much, that's what you gotta remember. Oh, there's lots of blooms. I gotta get them. These are the cosmos that I just pruned. They're growing massively. I literally pruned them 3 days ago and they are growing like wildfire now.
Look at this. Yeah, look at this. Look at what you quadrupled.
Yep,
Look at that.
I did do these, so
Yeah.
did them all.
I can't believe this is over.
I even did some of the zinnias. I didn't do them. So that's what we got accomplished this weekend on the farm. We always get a lot accomplished on the weekends. So we're very, very happy with what we got done, and we hope to see you next time here on the farm.